So we're gonna do some closet decluttering today. I know a lot of people divide it into different sections: keep, sell, alter, give to my friend, give to the trash, give to a thrift store. I'm just going with 2 piles: keep, don't keep. This closet is just full of sweaters, big ones which I have in this hanging organizer, and things that are tops like tank tops, t-shirts, long sleeves. And then on the other side of the closet I have dresses, so I'll move on to that later. And then I also have some shoes up here on this rack, which are all heels. And I think I'm going to declutter these in this video as well. Criteria for keeping the clothes: have I worn it recently? Do I feel good when I wear it? That I think is a better question, because I'm probably going to start off right with this first hanger. See, the first problem here is that I have 3 items of clothing on 1 hanger, and I would like to have 1 item of clothing per hanger. What a thought. Like, this is a plain white cami tank top. Does it spark joy? No, but I wear it all the time. I love wearing it. I'm just a big fan of a classic white top like this. So I am going to start off, I'm going to keep it, and then I have a backup one for when that one is in the wash. And then we get to a patterned piece. I have very few of these, which is why I think I am going to keep this, because it's very simple. It's black and white, which is what I typically go for, but it still works with my style. It works with pretty much all of the other pieces of clothing I own, so I'm gonna keep it. Uh-oh. So usually I'm not one for sentimental pieces, but I did want to mention this one shirt, probably the only shirt that I'm keeping for a sentimental reason, because I don't wear it really that much, but I did wear this shirt on my very first job interview for like real job after college. First interview, and I got the job. So this is kind of a lucky shirt to me, so I am going to keep it. Okay, we're gonna move on to the other side, which is dresses. And you know it's bad when you have a dress that's just, there's no hanger, it's just there. And when I go over here, like that's its place, that's where it's meant to be. I just pick out what I need and then place it back right where it belongs. So definitely need to get rid of some of these. so I was getting towards the end and I started doubling up on hangers, which I really didn't want to do, but I didn't think I was going to make it, except now I'm at the very last few shirts and it looks like I am going to make it, which is very exciting because pretty much my main goal was so that I wouldn't have to double up on hangers anymore. So at the end of all that, I've got 7 leftover hangers. I got rid of more than 7 pieces, but because things were doubled up, this is what I have. So I'm just gonna stick these at the very back of my closet. So I'm not quite done yet. I do want to go through these shoes that I have at the top here. It's not very many of them, but there are a couple that I am gonna get rid of. So I know I'm gonna get rid of these. I also am gonna get rid of these. I don't ever wear them, so time to say goodbye. I just wanted to give a shot of my updated closet after the declutter. I did actually go out and buy a new hanging organizer for my sweaters just because the one that I had before had gotten so weighed down that a lot of the sections were really bent. Then just got the rest of the tops and a couple of shoes on that shelf up there. And then on the other side, I've got some bags up there, a couple of sweaters that I have hung up, and then dresses. So that is the completed closet after the declutter.